Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle 9-seater. It's lovely in deep black pearl. Huge benefit, there's no additional VAT to pay on top of the sale price on this one, as it's been privately owned from when we sold it about 4 years ago. Great spec, it's got the projector headlights with integral daytime running lights. Separate daytime running lights in the bumper too. Full Sportline styling kit and gloss black grills. Just show you in there, it's gloss black in between the chrome bits. Now for a 5.5-year-old vehicle, this is in super condition. As you'd expect, there's the odd little stone chip that we've touched in, but really very, very little indeed. Lovely uniform finish to the paint. Dent free down the sides. Got 20-inch black and polished alloy wheels with Uniroyal tyres all round, and has been lowered 30mm with just a change of springs. Got the stainless side bars and roof bars too. Privacy tints to the rear. There is a small repaired chip in the screen just here, right over on the passenger side, so not even an advisory on the MOT, as it's way out the driver's line of vision. Black pack extends around the mirrors as well. Lovely inside this one, it's got the full bespoke leather interior. This was completed by ourselves about 4 years ago when we sold it to its current owner. He then added the Vanex glove box. Now this one, it's worth knowing, has got the 3-zone climate control, not standard on a shuttle, and absolutely essential in the summer to bring cold air through to the back 2 rows there. Genuine VW accessory Kenwood sat-nav unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's hooked up to a reverse camera at the back as well. Now in the middle we've got 3 individual seats, all of which will fold and come out independently of each other. And then in the final 3rd row, a triple seat. So 9 in total there. And this little panel up here is responsible for the climate control in the rear. That comes out of these vents just up here and here. So rather than just air coming through from the front, it's coming through those vents too. I'm just going to take you panel by panel along this one, because at this sort of age there can obviously be a huge variation in condition between comparable vehicles. So just want you to see how nice this is. If I spot anything that looks like it's a bit of a mark or a scratch, I'll point it out to you, or you may even see it yourself on the video. When I had a look around this in the valet bay, I was really impressed with the condition. High level Sportline spoiler there. Has got the carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. That's obviously got some marks on it. We fitted it 4 years ago. It's been there to protect the bumper and done its job. A couple of tiny little marks just on the bumper underneath there. Has got a detachable tow bar. That's inside the vehicle, not currently fitted. But if you need to tow, very useful extra. Again, all panels down the driver's side in really good order. No dents that I can see anywhere either. Looks great from the side profile there. This one's got the added factory option of the power folding mirrors, the flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel with controls for the stereo and trip computer on there, It's also got paddle shift on that wheel as well, so you can use it as a clutchless manual. This has got cruise control too, which is again very, very rare on a shuttle. 41,266 miles, fully up to date with its service history, has had a cam belt change and has had the DSG oil change, both of which had to be carried out by now. If you're looking at similar vehicles and they haven't had them carried out, budget an additional £1,000 for that work to be done. So all in all, great history, super spec, arguably the best colour. We've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and can offer finance facilities, so if you're interested, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.